We speak them every day. We hear them every day. This story will guide you. This story will teach you. Repeat after each line. Speak with confidence. Now let's begin. David opened his eyes. The sun touched his face. The air was warm. The room was still. He stretched his arms. He rubbed his eyes. He looked at the clock. It was 7 a.m. He sighed deeply. David remembered something. He had no money. Not even $1. Not even one coin. His wallet was empty. His pocket was empty. His bank card was useless. David whispered. Today will be hard. His stomach felt empty. He needed breakfast. He needed coffee. But he had nothing. He got up slowly. He walked to the kitchen. He opened the fridge. It was almost empty. Only bread was left. Only milk was left. No eggs. No butter. No fruit. No juice.
David sat on a chair. He held his head. He thought of yesterday. Yesterday was the same. No money then. No money now. Life was heavy. Just then, Emma came. She was David's sister. She was cheerful. She carried a small bag.
Good morning, David, Emma said.
David smiled weakly.
Morning, Emma, he replied.
Emma looked at him.
You look sad, she said. What's the matter?
David rubbed his hands. He looked down.
I have no money, he said.
Emma's eyes widened. Not even $1? She asked.
David nodded slowly. Not even a dime. Emma sat beside him. That's tough, she whispered. But don't worry. We'll handle today. We'll stay strong. David felt better. Emma always gave hope. She always encouraged him. She always believed. Emma opened her bag. She pulled out apples. She placed them on the table. She also had some cheese. Here, Emma said. Let's share these. David felt thankful. He cut the apples. Emma cut the bread. They ate slowly. They chewed quietly. The food was simple. But it felt special, David thought. Even without money, family gives support. Emma smiled at him. See, we survived breakfast. David nodded. Yes, with your help. After breakfast, David went for a walk. He had no bus fare. He had no gas, so he walked. The air was fresh. The sun was bright. The sky was blue. Birds sang loudly. David walked slowly. He passed a store. He stopped outside. People were shopping inside. They bought snacks. They bought coffee. It was his friend, John. John wore a cap. John carried a cup of coffee. Good morning, John said. David smiled. Morning, John, he replied. John looked at him. You look worried, John said. Everything okay? David hesitated. I have no money today, he admitted. John was surprised. No money at all? David shook his head. John thought a moment. Then John smiled. Come on, he said. Walk with me. We don't need money to walk. David laughed softly. That's true, he said. They walked together. They talked about life. They talked about school days. They talked about friends. They forgot their worries. For a while, David felt free. He forgot his empty wallet. After walking, David went back home. Emma was waiting. How was your walk? she asked. David smiled. It was good, he said. I met John. Emma nodded. That's nice, she said. Did you tell him? Yes, David said. He knows I'm broke. Emma laughed. Don't worry, brother. Everyone faces tough days. Today is just one day, David agreed. Yes, one day without money. But deep inside, he still felt heavy. He needed a plan. He needed a way. David thought quietly. He looked around the room. He saw his old guitar. He had not used it. It was dusty. He picked it up. He strummed softly. The sound was nice. Emma clapped her hands. That sounds good, she said. David smiled. Maybe I can play outside. Maybe I can sing. Maybe people will listen. Maybe someone will smile. Money is not the goal, but music can bring joy. Emma nodded. Yes, try it. At least it's free. David carried the guitar. He walked to the park. Emma walked with him. They found a bench. David sat down. He played gently. The sound filled the park. Children stopped to listen. Parents smiled. One old man clapped. A little girl danced. A woman hummed. People gathered slowly. David felt happy. He forgot about money. He saw smiling faces. He saw cheerful eyes. Emma whispered, "See, you gave them joy." David nodded. Yes, and I feel rich. Not rich with money, but rich with smiles. The day grew quiet. The sun went down. The sky turned orange. The park grew empty. David carried his guitar home. Emma walked beside him. They talked softly. They laughed a little. Back home, David sat on his bed. He closed his eyes. He thought about today. No money, but so many lessons, he said. Family gave me food. Friends gave me company. Music gave me peace. Smiles gave me strength. Emma smiled. See, a day without money is not empty. It can still be full. David nodded. Yes, very full indeed.